Hi guys. So last session we have discussed about introduction of SQL. So today we will see types of command in SQL. So we have five commands in SQL. One is DDL, second one is DML, third one is DCL, fourth one TCL, fifth one DQL. DDL means data definition language. We can we can use it to create structure of the database with help of the DDL commands. So DDL commands it has five five commands. One is create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. So with help of the create statement, we can create different types of objects. Different types of object mean so we can create the table, view, store procedure, indexes. So with help of the create statement, we can create the any database objects. Next, second one, alter command. Alter command. So if you want to add any column in the existing table, we can use the alter command. So if you want to remove any column in the existing table, we can use the alter command. Next one, drop. It is used to removing for entire database objects. We can use the drop command. Next, fourth one, truncate. So truncate is also like drop command, but we can't disturb the structure of the table. So we can remove the entire data from the table only. So we can remove that records permanently. We can't roll back that records. Next one, rename. So rename is nothing but if you want to uh, rename any table, view, stored procedure, indexes, we can use the rename command. Second one, DML command. DML is means data manipulation language. Um, means if you want to insert any values in the database, we can use DML commands. And if you want to update any record in the table, we can use update statement. So if you want to delete any record, we can use the delete command. So delete command means we can delete the particular record. So for suppose if you want to delete uh, name in name, if you want to particular name, if you want to remove particular name, we can use delete command. So delete also same as truncate command, but little difference is there between delete and truncate. So if you delete any records in the DML operation, we can roll back that records. But if you did the truncate command, we can't roll back the database. Next one, third one, data control language. Data control language. So it is used to give permissions and privileges to the user. So for suppose if you want to access, if you want to give permissions to the user, we can use the grant command. So if you want to take take up that permission from the user, we can use the revoke command. Next, fourth one, transaction control language, TCL. So if you want like com, in this transaction control, we have three commands. One is commit, rollback, save find. So it is used to save the data permanently in the database. If you use the commit statement, we can save the data permanently in the database. Next one, rollback. So we can restore the records with help of the rollback on the DML operation only. So we can't roll back DDL commands. Next one, save point. Save point it is used for saving intermediate changes. Last one, data control language. In data control language, we have only one command is select statement. The select statement is used to retrieve the data from the table. We can use select statement. So for suppose if you want to know the table information, we want to see that table information, now we can use the select. So with help of this select statement only, we can see the table information, how many records are there in the table. So how many columns how many columns are there in the table. We can see with help of the selector statement only. Next, so we will see each command. We will execute each command in SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm using the SQL Server Management Studio. So we have different servers, MySQL, SQL Server. We have different servers, but I'm using the SQL Server Management Studio. So if you know the how to use any one server, so we can also use the these commands in another server also. Uh, like there is a little different is there. Like if you know the how to use the commands in any server, we can use it all these servers. So so uh, you have to install this SQL Server Management Studio in your system. So SQL Server Management Studio is an independent platform. Independent platform is nothing but so we can install in Windows operator as well as we can also Unix operator. So we can use any operators. We can install in the uh, Windows operator. We can install in Unix operators. That's why we can call it as an independent platform. So SQL Server is a dependent platform. Next, so now we will see how to use the SQL Server Management Studio. The SQL Server Management Studio. So it will before going to use this server, you need to give the connection. So you can use connect. You can click on that connect. Next, if you click on that new query, uh, then you can see these right space right side. We can see the right side space is a SQL editor. So we can write the all the queries, all the comments in the right side only. So left side it is a server engine. So in the server engine we have database. So in database we have different types of system. You can see system database, data snapshots. So we have different. This is a system database. So when you open this when you install this server, automatically built in the databases. You can see master database, model database, MSDB database, TempDB database. So these are all system database. System database means they are predefined database. So already it built in while install this server. So these are all user create this database. So it is a system database, it is a user database. These are all user database. But suppose if you want to create any table or database, we can use uh, this SQL editor. Thank you, friends.